So this is one of my favorite features in Atrium. So Atrium supports worktrees, right? Worktree isolation, so you can work on multiple features at the same time without them clobbering each other's code base. It checks out a branch, puts it in its an isolated folder. Agents can do whatever on those folders, and then you just merge it back into your main branch or staging branch whenever you're ready to. Very efficient. But when you want to test those changes, what do? You got to go into a folder and you got to run your pnpm dev or whatever command you use to start things up. It's a pain in the butt. You got to open up a terminal. It has to reserve space in your mosaic or your tab bar or whatever. I don't like that. It's annoying. So I added these run commands, which you can see this little play button when I hover over a project on the sidebar. Basically, you define a command. I have dev build, I have web server, and I have a marketing dashboard that I use sometimes. And all it is very simple. Add a command, name it, command like pnpm dev. I usually prefix it with pnpm install, so it automatically installs all the packages in a new work tree. I don't have to worry about that. And you can define what working directory it sits in. So if I add those, all I have to do is hit play, and boom, it starts running. If I hover over, I get the log from the terminal, and better yet, oh shoot, I stopped it. Better yet, you click this, and it opens it up for full inspection. And when you're done, you just send it back to the background. Boom, done. I can do this for multiple work trees at a time. I've got another one that's working over here. I'm gonna spin that one up. I can do it for other projects. Have multiple things running very quickly. Easy to see from my sidebar which work trees branch is running at any time. Super efficient. There's other options in here too. Create a new work tree, hide work trees, show or hide sessions, maximize the project. So it's the only one that you see. Yeah, I love this. It makes it so easy to work on multiple features at the same time. Seemingly small feature, but super useful, and just keeps you in your flow. You don't have to worry about jumping to a terminal and all that. So I love it. I hope you'll love it. Test it out. Try it out. Get atrium.dev. See y'all.